If you want to build AI apps without getting stuck in complicated code, then Base44 is one of the easiest tools to try. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Base44 to build AI apps step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, we'll keep it simple, practical, and focused on getting a working app fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-code and AI app building guides. Alright, let's jump in. Before you start typing anything into Base44, the most important thing is to think about your target audience and the core features your app actually needs. Don't just ask for a random app. Be clear about who it is for and what problem it solves. For example, if you want to build a task reminder app, think about the main things it should do. Should users be able to add reminders? Should it send notifications? Should it have a simple dashboard? Should it save tasks automatically? The more specific you are, the better the result will be. Once you have a clear idea, open Base44 and go to the chat area. This is where you describe your app idea in a prompt. Type in the needs of your app in plain language. For example, you could say that you want a task reminder app with a clean interface, the ability to add and edit reminders, a list of upcoming tasks, and an easy way to mark items as complete. Keep your prompt focused on the features you want, the style you want, and the purpose of the app. After you've written your prompt, click Enter. This is the part where Base44 starts doing the heavy lifting for you. It will generate the front-end and back-end code automatically based on what you asked for. That means you do not need to manually build every screen or connect every feature yourself. In just a short time, Base44 creates the structure of the app, the logic behind it, and the user interface all together. Once the generation is complete, you'll be able to view a live version of your app right on the screen. This is one of the best parts of Base44 because you can immediately see how your idea looks and works in real time. If something does not look exactly right, you can refine your prompt and try again with more detail. For example, you can ask for a simpler layout, better colors, or extra features like search, login, or categories. The key is to experiment and improve the prompt until the app matches your vision, and that's really all there is to it. You think about the app you need, type those needs into Base44's chat area, click Enter, and let the platform generate the front-end and back-end for you. In no time, you can have a live AI app running on screen without spending hours coding from scratch. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more tutorials on building smarter with AI tools just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.